My name is Carissa Atkins and this is Leslie Liu, and we are co-founders of Warrior Queens Rise, which is a global women's empowerment organization, and we are here in Kenya doing some incredible work. I just want to say it's an honor. It's an honor to be back here at Manga Schools. We were here 12 months ago, and that is where the vision for Warrior Queens Rise came about. And when we were here 12 months ago, we really listened to the students. We listened to the women and the kids, and we realized that we wanted to be a part of a solution instead of part of just, a problem. So we decided to form an incredible group of healers, speakers, and mentors, and we came back 12 months from now to really be a part of the solution and really help women and children step into their power.
Your Queens Rise, and there's a couple of key areas that our organization really centers on. Things like access to feminine hygiene products, combating gender-based violence, mental health support, and leadership training and skill sets. So for this being our first trip, we really concentrated on feminine hygiene because we talked to the girls and they could not keep up with the cost of sanitary napkins here. You had issues like that. You have issues of disposal, but also cheaper sanitary pads equates to being exposed to toxic chemicals. So throughout our time here, the 10 days that we'll be in Kenya, we will be speaking to over 15,000 young people for empowerment and encouragement and inspiration. We have also donated to many causes that we care about.
Sawala Yodo, and I'm with Golden Girls Foundation, and we look for any way to ensure girls successfully complete school. And one of the people we partner with, apart from the Queens, is Rubicap. And our intention of partnering with Rubicap is to ensure that girls successfully complete school and girls stay in class throughout the month. So we are proponents of Rubicap, and we have distributed more than 50,000 Rubicaps all over the country. And in 2018, the Queen Elizabeth II recognized our efforts through the award of the Point of Light Award, the 28th Point of Light Award. And we are very happy again to have partners who are able to support our cause to give more girls free menstrual cups.
You ready? Yes. You want to go on? My name is Dominic Obadia. I'm a humanitarian diplomat and a philanthropist, head of state commendation, and an award-winning World Disability Ambassador, at the same time a businessman. I am today partnering with Warrior Queens Rise, that I've also partnered with another organization called Silicon or Rubicaps, a company that is helping young girls be able to undergo their menstrual issues or feminine issues without a problem. You understand in this country that accessing sanitary towels has been a problem, and some of our girls drop out of school because of pregnancy or because of lack of the sanitary towel or because they don't have the money to do it. So when we talk about Rubicaps, we're talking about sustainable development option for the young girls that can keep them in school in line with 17 SDGs in government and also with the United Nations. So look at this in the point of economic empowerment. How much will it save girls to stay in school for 10 years just using one single silicone cup? At the same time, it is chemical free, and at the same time, it is readily available. The organization is in the country, and many girls will benefit from this initiative.
Very, very unique because it is one product that lasts for up to 10 years, okay? And as compared to others, Rubicap is user-friendly. Rubicap lasts apart from lasting for 10 years, it is environmental friendly, it needs very little water, and it is self-administering. So once the girls are trained on how to use it, then they go with it for 10 years. If a girl is given in 7th grade, they go through undergraduate with it. And we believe that at that time, they should be able to, to pick their own tool. What we are doing is we are informing the girl that there are more menstrual tools inside the menses basket. We have disposable sanitary towels, we have reusable sanitary towels, we have tampons, but inside that basket, we also have menstrual cups.
Today, we're really honored to partner with Ruby Cups because we believe in the power of these medical silicone grade cups, because the girls told us that they felt the need, no dignity, no peace of mind, depression, suicide, because they can't afford the pads. They don't want to go to school. They also told us things like they felt like they needed to have someone violate their body or sell their body just to afford sanitary napkins. And so our team fundraised over 3,000 US dollars to purchase the cups, and that is why we're here today. So I want to
Shule ya Manga Girls Form 2, na leo hii nataka kumshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa kutuletea wageni ambao kwa kikundi chao wanajiita Warrior Queens. Kwa Warrior Queens wanaonyeshana upendo, wanapendana na pia kushikana, kusaidiana kwa kila jambo. Wametuletea pia zawadi apart from kutumia sanitary towels zenye huwa tuna dispose kila mahali na chafua environment. Tumeletewa zenye hazichafui environment na unakuwa comfortable kuzitumia than hizi zingine.
My name is Lynette Boyani. I'm the boarding mistress of Manga Girls High School in Nyamira County. We want to thank our special queens for donating these cups that are going to help our girls. The girls undergo various challenges on a menstrual cycle and menstrual health. So we want to thank them for donating. Number two, we also want to make them aware that the girls are going to benefit. You know, with the purchase of the sanitary towels, it can be difficult because some of them come from needy backgrounds.
There are some areas, there are some supermarkets that actually sell it, and we are not in the market for sale. We are here to give the girls freely, and that is the partnership, the unique partnership that we have with Rubica. For any single menstrual Ruby cup bought in Europe, a Kenyan girl gets it free. So what is our partnership with Rubica? They give us the cups and we ensure that the girls get the cups.
really recognize all of our speakers and the Warrior Queens Rise organization, because what we were able to fundraise thanks to Ruby Cup's model of buy one, give one, we will be able to donate 466 cups, half of to the Manga Girls School today and the other half to the Kareri Girls School.